buy it. Number 5 is Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer. If you're a fan of action figures, you'll know how crucial it is to get the perfect details and precision for your models. The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer is ideal for bringing your favorite action figures to life. With a whopping build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, /45 by 40 by 40 centimeters, you'll have plenty of room to work with, allowing for more extensive and intricate designs. And thanks to its self-developed Anycubic LeviQ Leveling Function, you won't have to worry about uneven surfaces ruining your print. Just one button, and you're good to go. The double-thread Z-axis moving construction means that shaking and lost steps are minimized, and all the model details can be restored with impressive accuracy. And if you run out of mid-print, the filament runout detection will automatically pause the printer, saving your progress. With lifetime technical support and 24-hour customer service, you can rest assured that Anycubic has your back. So, bring your favorite action figures to life with the Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer. So if you buy the amazing 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for action figures. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.